Welcome everybody, Nikita here, and today I'm at the Waltham Benevolent Association to thrift. They have been closed for a little bit due to COVID, so I'm here today. Hopefully I find some nice things. I'll definitely be doing more of a vlog style, going through the racks and showing you the things that are here. I also want to show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this oversized shirt from H&M. I'm wearing these Ralph Lauren pants that I found the last time I came here to thrift, as well as some cheetah print Bridget's, K sandals, and also my Cancel Society tote bag. This is what I brought to carry my thrifted items. I bought $2,000, so I'm going to see how many things I can find for that price. So they have some nice dresses. I like this, but not sure. Hello. Have some really nice simple dresses. This these are the colors. There's some stuff right here too. There's shoes, just random clothing. I'm here with my niece, which is possibly not the best idea. Ooh, there's a skirt from the Gap. It's a size 6. I really don't have like a long skirt, but I think a size 4 would be more fitting. I'm going to try it. Looks like this. Also found this that I like so far. Vintage pieces like this, for example. Really nice. Not my vibe, but where people are coming now. And I found a vintage dress that I like, but I don't know. There's some really nice vintage dresses. The racks don't look like much, but you really have to go in and search. And there's a few things that I found that are new with tags. I'm here with my niece. I think I said that before, so every 10 seconds you're going to hear somebody say, "Auntie, that's the mirror for you." There's a shirt that I just found that I really like, but something. There's also this blazer. There's a few blazers. Found this knit cardigan that I really like, but the color is a bright red. Oosh, boy. So I found this blazer. It's from Zara. It's a size large. It's $300, and it has an elbow patch, as well as I really like the buttons. I think it will go really nicely with my pants. I like it. I also have a plethora of things on my hand, which I'll show you shortly. And I also found this knit sweater, like real thick, proper knit, made in Scotland. But the color threw me off, you know. Thinking about the knit sweater. Yeah, and just overall there's not as much things as I found the last time. This is the men's section. Haven't seen any jeans just yet. These are my jeans, but I'm looking. And I have a plethora of things on my hand, mainly black, which I'm trying to stay away from, but they keep calling me. But this blazer though, I'm going to try it on. I really like the idea of it with the pants that I'm wearing. I love it. On this shirt that I liked initially, but it has this balloon sleeve thing, well, that I don't really like, so I'm going to put that one back. I have something similar in my hand. It's in red. Yeah, I liked it, but with the sleeves I doubt I'll actually wear it. And what's the cost? It's 200 Jamaican dollars, so cheap, but I don't think I'll wear it, so I'm not getting any nice shirts here. This is a really nice work style top. This one as well. Also saw that I liked. I really like this, but I feel like all the things I've picked up today are very work-esque, professional attire. That's not really what I'm looking for. Love this top. The pink though, I'm really staying away from bright colors. Apparently they have luggage and vintage looking bags. This is my pile over here. They have some men's sweatshirt like this. These are all real sweatshirt. Yeah, they have some men clothing. So the lighting is not 100, but these are the things that I like so far. And this white button-down shirt. This is $200. Like that's not what I'm looking for. So this blazer I'm going to think about. I really want it to love this. Everything I'm thinking about I put here, everything I'm taking I put here. But not my style, so this one is going back on the rack. This, so this is this really thick made in Scotland hoodie, not hoodie, what do you call this now, cardigan for $300. It's really big and oversized. Still thinking about this one. I think it's a yes, but I'm not sure. I have this. I also picked up these little shift, like regular dresses that you can find anywhere. This one is from Mula and it's in this nude color and it's for $200. I think I'm getting this. Found this large old navy dress. It's in black, nice and simple. And this is $200. I'm getting this. And I found this vintage dress. Oh my gosh, I like it. $200. It's vintage. I want this one. I think it's very different. I really like the buttons on it. Don't feel like anybody else would be in something like this. So I'm definitely going to be taking this one. I may take in the dress at the side. Black simple. If I'm going anywhere that I want to look, you know, very earthy and stand out, this is that girl. Love this dress. So these are the things I have so far. There are a few other rooms around the place, so I'm just going to try and look at them. But yeah, this is my lot. Do I need 3 black dresses? Alright, this one for $100. I'm not gonna take it. I don't need 3 black dresses. So yeah, if somebody never like it, I'm going to be putting it back because I don't need 3 black dresses. So I found a few cute shoes. I found a pair of gray Nikes. I found some Timberlands. Found some kitty Adidas. Oh, some River Island flats. They do have some nice shoes. Yeah, those are the River Island flats again. Found these shoes for $400. They're my size and they're Clark's. Nice pair of strong work shoes. I think I'll get them. And are you even thrifting if you don't see this pattern? Like, if you do not see this print, are you even thrifting though? I don't think so. I think it's something that you definitely find anywhere you see vintage clothing. This print. They have shoes, like shoes. This is another section. This is like proper shoes. And I just don't know. I didn't expect like these type of shoes. So this is a Calvin Klein box. This lady is very long. So let me just look and see what's happening. Oh, but they have some really nice heels. Not my size or style. Just pulling on a random box. They have some nice work shoes. This one is a bit worn. This is the kids section, I think. Another box that says yes. This is $300. Mainly work shoes. 9 West. Says 6.5. So there's some stuff. They do have some things. I don't see anything in my size. Originally $69.99 on sale. Here for $300. Them are gone. It's a really nice slippers. This one with this flower, as well as this one with these shells. They look quite expensive. Very standard leather slippers. Not my size, but very nice. Very cheaply priced. Both of them I think is $300 here. So let's get into the items I would have thrifted. If you watched my previous thrift haul, you would know this top. It was a jacket and I got it cut into this boxy crop top situation, and I'm loving this. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the items I picked up in this thrift haul. This item is this white long sleeve button down. It's very long actually, and it was $200 and it is a fitted button down. I really like this shirt, really good quality, just a very nice bright white. Second item, also pretty simple, is this black A-line dress. It is from Old Navy. It's a size medium. I think this was also $200. Just has this smocking type detail in the back, and it's just a simple everyday A-line black dress. Third item, something I'm really or needed to be taken in. It was $200. There is no tag in this dress, but it is quite well made. It has a lining on the inside. It's just a vintage dress, and what drew me to it were these buttons, these beautiful 3 beautiful buttons here. It's a very nice dress, very fitted. The only challenge I have so far is that the hem, the split is riding up, so I'm going to go ahead and just sew this section and reinforce the split. But I tried this dress on. I will be doing a lookbook of all the items I've thrifted in this video and my previous video, but these buttons though, This is a very nice dress, a very fitted dress. Best $200 ever spent in my life. Another dress, I got 5 items by the way, guys. This dress was actually on the expensive side. This is what took me over my budget. My budget was $200. I paid $600 for this dress. This is probably the most expensive item I have thrifted, but I think it's worth it. It is this, I don't know what you call this. It's like a military, like with the epaulet, whatever this name again, this thing up top. The buttons are very nice. The material is very thick. I don't know which size 12 this is. It's a size 12, but I can't understand which size 12 it is. It is a maxi dress. The fit and the texture of the material and how thick and nice it is, I don't think that's advisable. So that was one of my favorite pieces once I tried it on. If you remember, while I was there, I put it in the maybe section, but once I tried it on, it fit very nicely. And even though it was $600, I went ahead and buy it. $300. This is probably, between this and the black dress, my favorite item. This is the Zara blazer, and it's just such a nice blazer. Again, the same thing that sold me on the dress, these buttons, the colors, the elbow patch, it fits me beautifully. Again, I will be doing a lookbook styling all the pieces I got in this haul and the previous haul, because the ones that I reconstructed, I got them back. So I'll definitely be doing a lookbook, guys. I'm so excited. But this is the blazer. It is just beautiful. I love it. I love the fit. It's a Zara basic size large. I don't know what I'm going with the size in today, but everything that I picked up fits nicely. I got another blazer. This is like a wool blend blazer. It was $200. Very heavy, very nice, very structured. And with this blazer, I also picked up this brooch that I'm just going to style on the blazer like this. Really love it. I tried it on yesterday with the brooch. This is a very nice brooch as well, with a little pearl. I don't know if it's a real pearl, but it's just a nice vintage brooch. And I have a few brooches. I really need to find them, but brooches are something I'm getting back into. I like brooches, and I feel like with a blazer or a jacket, it's nice to just have, you know, like little brooches to embellish them. And the last item I picked up, guys, was these Clark's work shoes. They're just a pair of patent leather, probably like a 1.5 inch heel work shoes. They are from Clark's. I don't know if they're actually worn. Some of this discoloring you see on the inside is from me cleaning the shoes. It's not really discolored, but yeah, I went ahead and I cleaned the shoes. They are a UK size 5, European 38, which is like a US 8, which is my size. They were £24.99, and I got them for 400 Jamaican dollars. I just put the sticker on the bottom. They are very nice classic work shoes. I guess they're not new, they're worn but not like heavily worn, and I really like them. I think they fit nice. I think they're classic, and I think they will be a comfortable work shoe. Yeah, so tried them yesterday, love them for $400. So in total I spent $2,100. I was $100 over my budget. That blue thick military style long dress is what took me over my budget. It was $600. I'm just realizing that it was $600, but I really enjoyed everything I got in this haul. Yes guys, so those are all the outfits. I would have gone over my budget this time. Last time I spent $2,000. This time I spent $2,100, and we all know it's that blue dress that would have taken me over the budget. I will be styling all the pieces I picked up today, all 5 pieces. all 5 pieces that I picked up today, as well as the previous pieces that I would have bought. So look out for my thrifted lookbook. I'm so excited to do that video, and it will definitely be up before the end of the month. If you haven't watched my previous thrift haul, definitely watch that also, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Walk good, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.